Hello, my name is Dr. Randy Lynn Newman. I'm a professor and I'm the head of the psychology department here at Acadia. I'm standing in front of Horton Hall. You can see in the fall the ivy on the side of the building in front of the building turns a beautiful shade of red. We really miss being able to host you on campus, but we're glad to be able to connect with you in this way. The psychology department at Acadia is one of the largest academic units on campus. We have over 400 majors. And even though the psychology department is housed within the Faculty of Pure and Applied Science, you actually have the option, the choice to do a Bachelor of Science in Psychology or do your Bachelor of Arts degree in Psychology. And if you have questions about what the difference is, you can contact me for more information. We also have one of the largest undergraduate research programs on our campus. Our students do a range of research projects from gender-based violence to stroke rehabilitation using innovative brain imaging techniques. Our students also have the option to enroll in co-op, which is becoming increasingly popular. Our co-op students have done placements at the IWK, the Nova Scotia Health Authority, and government research agencies. There are just so many options you can choose from. Now, you're probably wondering, what can you do with a psychology degree? Well, a psychology degree is a stepping stone to a really wide range of careers. Our students are now clinical psychologists, speech-language pathologists, they're nurses with specializations in psychiatric nursing, they are medical doctors, lawyers, occupational therapists. My gosh, what haven't I thought of here or said? We also have students who are human resource specialists and actually own their own businesses. So there's really no limit to what you can do with a psychology degree. Now, I'm actually going to have some of my colleagues here at Acadia tell you a little bit more about some of the specializations we offer in our program.
Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Diane Holmberg and I'm a social psychologist here at Acadia. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about our two options. We have an option in applied psychology and an option in neuroscience. Now these, just like they sound, are optional. It's not something that you have to do, it's just something you might choose to do. And you don't have to decide right away. You can decide in your second year or even your third year. What's involved is taking a concentration of courses in each of these areas to help prepare you better for careers in those areas. In the applied psychology option, what you're preparing for is careers in applied psychology, where you're taking what you're learning in your psychology classes and applying it to help manage human behavior and to help others. Some examples of careers might be clinical psychology, counseling psychology, social work, careers in forensic psychology, health psychology, industrial organizational psychology, sports psychology. There are many different options. If you take this concentration of courses, you'll be signaled on your transcript, and when you graduate, this just indicates to employers or graduate schools that you've had a long-standing interest in these areas and have taken a variety of courses to cover them. Now I'll turn it over to some of my colleagues who'll tell you a bit more about a neuroscience option.
Hello, my name is Daniel Lametti. I'm a psychology professor and cognitive neuroscientist here at Acadia. I'm here to talk to you today about the neuroscience option in psychology. As Professor Holmberg mentioned, options are just that, optional. In the neuroscience option, in addition to the courses you would normally take as a psychology major, you get to take courses such as cognitive neuroscience, psychopharmacology, and neuropsychology. These courses link different aspects of psychology and behavior to how the brain works in both health and disease. Now, the great thing about studying neuroscience at Acadia is that through the new Acadia Center for Neuroscience and Cognitive Health, run by myself and Professor Anne-Sophie Champaud, you will receive hands-on laboratory experience in human neuroscience. This includes learning how to use really cool tools for measuring and manipulating brain activity. The neuroscience option provides a great foundation for careers in medicine, pharmaceutical science, clinical psychology, neuropsychology, and science writing. Some students who complete this option pursue graduate work in neuroscience to become research scientists or even university professors. Neuroscience is an exciting and rapidly changing field, and Acadia is a great place to learn about the brain.
Hi, I'm Dr. Catherine Bell, a clinical psychologist here at Acadia University and a registered psychologist in Nova Scotia. Many of our majors within Acadia's psychology department are interested in pursuing careers in the helping professions, including medicine and nursing, psychology, social work, and the therapeutic arts. and our department offers coursework that help prepare students for these professions, including courses on abnormal psychology, clinical psychology, counseling theories, and child development. Several of these courses are taught by registered psychologists who also teach in Acadia's graduate clinical psychology program. Students within our department have the opportunity to participate in clinical research supervised by our faculty on topics related to mental well-being, depression and anxiety, violence and trauma, attachment and relationships, and strokes and neurorehabilitation. Our majors also have the option of applying to our honors program, where they can complete a faculty-mentored research project, preparing them for graduate work in clinical psychology or related fields. Through Acadia's co-op program, students can get hands-on experience working in a psychology-related placement, such as True North Clinical Research or the Nova Scotia Health Authority, to develop practical skills that will better prepare them for a career in the helping professions. Taken together, your educational experience here at Acadia can start you on a path towards a fulfilling career in the helping professions.
So now that you know all about Acadia's psychology program, the program options, and the wide range of career opportunities, you're probably pretty eager to get started on your degree in psychology. You can start by visiting our department's website at psychology.acadiau.ca. And there you'll find a range of program details, registration tips, resources, and how to connect with faculty, staff, and your student association in psychology, which is called OPA. There is also a connection to Acadia's admissions team, which will help you to get started on your application. And if you require assistance, please, by all means, reach out to me. My name is Denise Bonnell, and I am the administrative assistant here in the Department of Psychology. I am happy to be your first stop for questions about the program, for registration help, and also in connecting you with a faculty advisor. I hope to see you soon.